Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about default parameters in JavaScript version 6. Now what is the use of default parameter? We can see, just take one example here, function. We have a multiply function. I have a num1 and num2 here as a parameter, and I just return here in under till operation that multiplication, multiply of, I say, num1 and I say num2 equal to is and I say num1 multiplication num2 like this, and I call this method under the console, and I say multiply, and I pass here, for example, this one, and I call it. You see it's running very well, but if I forgot to pass the second parameter, then you see this function saying undefined none. So to overcome this such kind of error, I can put here as a default value 1, and this value 1 will be replaced with this parameter. If I am not passing any single value, then it will replace with 1 and it will generate this. But if I pass any valid value, for example like this, then there is no replacement. It will do as per the value pass, and otherwise will replace the value with 1. One more thing we can do, we can create one more method like sum, and I say num1 and num2, and I return the value, for example num1 plus num2 like this. So I can pass here this function also, and I can pass the value whatever I want to pass like this. So in place of default value, I can pass the function also like this. And if I forgot to pass this value, for example, and I run it again, then automatically this value will pass to this num2, and this, before passing the value to num2, this function will execute, and with the help of this function we will get the sum of the number, and then this number will go here. And if I pass some valid value, for example like this, and I can run it again, then the same value which we are passing here, only this value will pass. We would not pass this value. This function will execute only when we are not passing any parameter here. So this parameter can be work on this also, it can be work on this also, it can work on other parameters also. So you can use this facility of JavaScript version 6 whenever you require in your application. So thank you for watching my video.